Good morning. I'm here with another video. So far, I've talked to you about how to make a hat on a hat press, and then yesterday a cup on a cup press. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt on a heat press. So basically, this is my heat press, and this is my t-shirt. This is an adult large. And so I'm going to just take the wrinkles out first. Get my paper situated. Just for a couple seconds and get the wrinkles out. I'm going to take a sticky tape. And I'm going to sticky tape all of the lint out of the shirt because it will stick to sublimation. This t-shirt will be sublimated. I'm not going to put an iron-on patch on it. So I like the way the sublimation works. So this is the patch I'm going to use. It says Black Lives Matter. It's not a patch, it's a sublimation. So I'm going to put that in the center of the shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this kind of in the middle so I know where the center is. And I could fold the shirt in the middle too, but I already have a little line there, so I'm going to put that on. I'm not even going to tape it down because I'm going to put a piece of, not that one, a piece of butcher paper on it. And it should hold it in place so that I do not have to tape it down. Put a clean piece because it's a white shirt and I don't want it to mess up. And so I'm going to press it at 351 for 60 seconds. And I'll come back when that's done. Okay, I'm back. It's been 60 seconds. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take this butcher paper off. And then I'm going to take this off. And then I'll show you the shirt. This is what we made. Oh. Okay. Black Lives Matter. And remember, I had to do it backwards so that it would go on forward. And I really like that. I may put a name above it and below it, but other than that, it's fine. It's fine. So that gives you 3 things to think about. If you want to make caps, the cap press is about between $130 $170. The cup press was about the same. This one my son bought me a couple years ago. That's why it's kind of dusty, but it's a little more expensive. It was almost $200. And I have one more machine coming. It won't be here until the end of June. And that's a pen press. And that will allow me to put names on pens. So I hope you learned something. If you want to start a business, $200 will get you started with the machine. Then of course you have to buy the supplies to go with it, like the cups or the t-shirts. And you could do just patches. You don't have to start off with sublimation. Yeah, go at it. Go at it. Have some fun. Well, thank you for visiting and watching my videos. I'll probably have another one tomorrow. Bye.